Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LNC. Yes, Terra Classic continue to maintain an increase in price between yesterday and today, and I'm happy about that. Still, they're still getting about 3.46% as at the time of recording this, which means Terra Classic in the past 2 days now gaining over 6.50% increase in price. I believe before the end of the day, Terra Classic might have started hitting over 8% increase in price. Wow, this is definitely going to be the turning point. This is definitely going to be what we have been waiting for, because we have been waiting for to see Terra Classic do something like this for a very long period of time. Assume Luna started rising these waves as of past few weeks. I believe by now the market cap would have still remained between 500 or more, $500 million or more. Okay, but at the time of recording this, you can see the market of Terra Classic have really dropped compared to about 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month ago. But the good news is, yes, right now this coin finally is rising, and I hope it will continue. Of course, go to the Terra Classic community and see what people are saying about the Terra Classic community. The hope is there. So many people who wanted, I see many people say they wanted to sell off everything they have, but right now they feel like waiting. That is a good thing. They feel like waiting to see what might really happen with Terra Classic. Okay, so it's a good thing to see that when a coin is doing well, definitely holders will want to support, holders will want to keep holding. But when the coin is not really doing well, many holders will want to sell, many holders will want to go off, of course, because right now that coin is not doing well. Everybody needs profit. Nobody wants to know what is wrong with any crypto coin. All they want is profit. Investors want profit. Okay, that is the major goal of every investor and every company and every individuals. So for me, yes, Terra Classic still remain among the top 100. That's been there, though I have a feeling that very soon it will drop more to the top 90, and if care is not taken, it will drop out of the top 100 if they fail to do something right this time around. Though it now looks as if they have started doing something right. It looks as if they have started getting it right. But remember, this have actually occurred so many times in the past few months, where you see Terra Classic start rising. In the next 2 days, it's another story. In the next 2 days, back to square one. Or in the next 3 days, back to square one. So I hope this is not what we have been experiencing. But right now, this time around, I hope to see something good. And another good thing again is that Luna are also planning on a network upgrade that will be coming up very soon. Now, please prepare and let's keep on supporting Terra Classic. Even though me personally on my channel, I plan to stop recording, talking, and researching, analyzing Terra Classic coin, because I really think that a coin that is not really doing well, the truth is we need to focus on other coins that are doing well at the moment. That is why I wanted to stop. But for now, I will still keep on in the next few days publishing news about Terra Classic till let's see where it goes. If before the end of the month, Terra Classic did not do well, the truth is I will stop recording videos about Terra Classic before the end of the month, or by the end of this month, August 2023. That's when I'll begin the final video I will record about Terra Classic, except something good happens after that. But for me personally, this coin is over for me. But with the recent price increase, let's watch and see how it goes once for more. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.